What's up, folks? Joey Image here with a very special unboxing for you. It is October 23rd. It is iPhone Day. And right here we have got a brand new iPhone 12 Pro. First of all, I'm noticing right away the box is much thinner. Look at that. Because as everyone in the world has complained about, there's no power brick. I also saw people on Twitter complaining that there's no power charger, meaning a cable. Not true. Let's take the plastic off. I'm kind of going through this quickly because I want to get this opened up and set up, configured, whatever. I like the thinner box, man. It's kind of cool. I still have a bunch of boxes from my previous phones. Let us pop this out right here. I don't know. This is funny. There's a little sticker on there that tells you like what the buttons are for on the left-hand side, and well, both sides, I guess. I've never seen that before. Even the charging port. Yeah, you know what? That's another thing. People are complaining that, oh, it doesn't come with a power brick, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't come with a charger cable, is what some people said. And I'm like sitting here like, can we just get rid of like that port as well? Can we just make this a completely clean and solid border, save for speakers and microphone, obviously, and just make this all 100% wireless charging? I mean, geez, I feel like I'm in the minority. Let's take this faux plastic off. Beautiful phone. Look at this bad boy. So the iPhone 5S, up until this feels a lot bigger than my current. I currently have an 11 Pro. This feels wider, which it looks like it is. And stupid me forgot this was coming today, so I didn't buy a case or a screen protector or anything. But the iPhone 5S, let me close the unboxing knife before I cut my nipple off. The iPhone 5S was my favorite iPhone because of this. Mainly because of this, because I liked the way, the 4s, the 5s, 5S because it was the newest version with this sort of case. I don't know what you would really call it. I don't know what this is for. What is this dark spot? So I don't know if you could see that. There's a dark little panel right there. I don't know what that is for, but I'll probably never find out either because I don't read manuals. So I like the iPhone 5S because, again, I like the flat border around it. And like I said, I have an 11 Pro now. I had the 10S before this. I had the 8, I think just the 8 Plus or whatever it was. I had the 7 Plus, 6 Plus. Those all had like rounded edges. So if I pop this, come on, brother. If I pop this razor case off, you can see how the sides are rounded, obviously. Right, so we know this. This is not a new revelation. This is very I love it without a case, but this is very easy to drop. Thankfully, I have this beautiful razor case, which actually I'll link this down below because I showed this off when I first got this, and a couple of people responded saying I didn't realize Razer made iPhone cases or cell phone cases at all. So I'll link this down below. But you can see, obviously, the round edges. This is very easy to drop. This is a little bit less easy to drop because, again, it's flat, so it like feels nicer in my hand. It feels tighter in my hand. It feels more secure. It's already got dust on it. I literally just opened it. It's already got dust on it, but I just love the way this looks. This just flat bezel kind of border thing here. I just love it a lot. It looks real nice. And again, that was one of my favorite things about the 5S. So as you can see, let's do a little bit of a size comparison here. So you can see a little bit taller, which means that razor case is now going to go to waste. I don't know, anybody need a Razer iPhone case for an iPhone 11 Pro? I don't know, let me know down below. Maybe we'll work something out. So, alright, in the box we got the standard little Apple thing with I'm sure the stickers are in here somewhere. Yep, stickers are in there. There's the SIM card removal tool. Here's the little manual. Here is the cable, lightning to USB-C. No power brick, but I mean, what am I going to do? I've only got, I don't know, 10 of them. including the one from my previous phone, the 11 Pro. So what's the big deal? Just plug into that. Again, it works on any computer also, so most modern PCs, at least I know the last 2 to 3 years, have USB-C ports. Plug it into your PC or your Mac or whatever. I mean, how much is a power brick? $10? I mean, I just don't understand all the people complaining. And I don't understand the people complaining that, I guess, thought that it didn't come with a power charger at all, which is very silly. I know most people have, in my opinion, I should say, I don't want to offend anybody, but I know most people have wireless charging pads already. I've got one in my car, I've got one at my work, I've got one in my home office, I've got one in my living room. I mean, they're all over the house. I mean, my phone is constantly charging. So, I mean, it's not like there's anywhere even around me where I'm not going to have some kind of charger. And again, standard lightning cable as the last, bunch of phones since the 5S, I believe. Maybe even going back as far as the 4, but I know at least since the 5S. So I've got a bunch of these cables as well, even if they're not the USB-C ones. Doesn't matter. I still have the previous generations that were standard USB-A. I gotta tell you, man, this Pacific Blue, it's a much lighter blue than I expected. I thought it was going to be much darker. They sent me the right one, right? Yep, iPhone 12 Pro, Pacific Blue, 256 gigabytes. I thought the blue was going to be a lot darker than this. I do like it, though. Blue's my favorite color, so I like this a lot. I'm not going to set it up and everything right now because I don't have time. I'll let it go through. I got some things I got to do. But I just kind of wanted to do a very quick, brief unboxing for you. Show you everything that this thing comes with. There you go. Show you the phone itself. Again, I'll throw some pictures of this at the end of this video. I'm looking at the timer right now, and we're at 7 hours. Jeez. We're at 7 minutes and 19 seconds, and I think I'm good now. If you've seen my last couple of videos, just getting off the iPhone thing for a second, you know that my GoPro likes to freeze whenever it wants to, and then I have to start up again and then piece stuff together before I release videos on YouTube. This has not done anything, so shout out to Alex Brancho for telling me specifically down to the model number what micro SD card he uses for his Hero 7 Black, and hasn't had a problem with. I'm now using that card now, no problem. Also, quick shout out to Ayaz Akhtar and Tom Merritt. No reason, I just like those guys. So, iPhone 12 Pro, Pacific Blue, 256 gigabytes. The former, sorry buddy, I know you're going away and the other one's right here. I'm sorry. The former iPhone 11 Pro from last year. You know what? Let me say one thing before I go. There's the iPhone 11 Pro right there. Let me say one thing before I go. The last two iPhone unboxings I did, the 11 Pro and I believe the 10S before that, I said in there that I wanted to give you a little bit of a tip regarding pre-ordering. So what I did for the last, I think definitely those two phones, maybe the one before it, which I believe was maybe the 8 Plus I had. I don't even remember now. No, I had the original 10 and then I had the 10S. So what I used to do was as soon as a new phone was announced, Apple shuts down the Apple Store website and the Apple Store app. They update everything, they add all the new phones, the new info, everything that's coming out, blah, 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 and then they bring the store back online. Once the store's back online, the last two phones that I said, maybe the last three, but I know definitely. All right, let's go back over that because it did freeze. It took 9 minutes and 14 seconds, but it froze. So, Alex, I'm taking away that thank you, buddy. Sorry. So, anyway, last couple iPhones that I purchased, I would go on the App Store app, the Apple Store app. After they announced everything, pick whatever I wanted. I would do save to wish list. Then when the pre-orders went live on, usually it was always that Friday still, I would log in at whatever time it was. Sometimes I think it was 3 a.m. I think last year was the first time they changed it. Eastern time I'm talking. Last year I think was the first time they changed it to 8 a.m. Eastern. And you would just log in, go to wish list and hit checkout, and all your stuff was already, your options were chosen. Hit checkout, you're good to go. This year, Apple actually already implemented that as a thing. So last year, in the past, it wasn't really like an official Apple thing. It was more like a trick that I've kind of found where you could just log in and add everything to the wish list. This year, Apple actually let you log in, pick all your options, and then save it in checkout. So all I had to do, I mean, the last couple of years, it did take me maybe 3 or 4 minutes to get everything done. This year legitimately took me less than 30 seconds because I'm guessing because last time I had to go to my wish list and then hit checkout from there and then confirm the options and then confirm the payment info. This year, with Apple's official method of doing this, everything was confirmed, I don't know, 3 or 4 days before the pre-order was set, which was last Friday the 16th. And then all I did was log in, hit go to check on all I did was log in, click on go to checkout. All my payment info was already confirmed, my shipping info, all my options for this phone were already confirmed, and I was all set. So it was literally less than 30 seconds, and it was wonderful. I'm assuming they're going to do that for years to come. Anyway, guys, just wanted to show you unboxing the brand new phone. Again, 12 Pro Pacific Blue, 256 gigabytes. Hope you enjoyed. Please follow me on all social platforms at Joey Image TV. I will be, I say this all the time, I might be posting a like an iPhone 12 Pro, my reaction or my thoughts or whatever, in a couple weeks after I use this for a little bit. But again, joeyimage@gmail.com. Send me your hate mail. All social platforms, Joey Image TV. Check me out on Twitch, please. I'll be streaming tonight, actually. And again, please stay tuned. I'll show a couple of pictures of this close-ups at the end of this video. So guys, thanks again for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I wish you all the best in your future new phone endeavors.